What is going on, everyone? But welcome back to the channel. Today's the day. Finally, time to install the Voltex bumper on the Z, and the Dream wheels are here. So, gonna get all of that installed today. Had to pick up my boy Adrian from his flight from Mexico, and now time to take this Z to the shop. Of course, gotta bring this thing back from the dead. So I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Check it out, guys. The bumper barely fit in the Versa. Man's barely has any room. Yeah, so you guys are wondering if a Versa can fit a bumper? Just barely. But we got it in there, thank God. Alright, see you guys at the shop. Alright, we got Daddy's car and Son's car. Which one are you taking? The G35 or the 37? Which one looks better, not aired out? Alright, Brandon, you want to tell them about your G? It's for sale. It's broken, but it's for sale.
It's broken, but it's for sale.
It's gonna come with the wheels, the Nike Bonos?
Honestly, if someone brings me 18, they can fucking take it.
Alright, well, what else is there? Looks stock right now.
Bags.
Tuned. It's been a low time, the sticker stays on. I never saw your trunk set up.
It's ass right now.
Damn, yellow carbon.
Kevlar.
And if you give him 18 without negotiating, he'll throw on the Balenciagas.
For free.
Follow the homie on Instagram.
Don't mind this shit.
Got a meth lab in here.
Probably Breaking Bad.
There you go, 18K. Clean title.
Low mileage. 7-speed auto. 09.
And then this one.
Oh, get it.
This one goes up for sale every once in a while. And it's about time this bumper's gonna get on. Been too long. Alright, fully unboxing the bumper. Damn. Look how thick this splitter is. Dude, I thought that thing was gonna be hella thin. Holy shit.
Is that like an inch? Half an inch?
Yeah. That's a thick boy.
You're gonna have to PPF it.
I am. I already told Ronaldo. Pro code and shit, cause yeah, this needs to get PPS for sure. But just the whole bumper in general. No, I know. Damn, so that thing's already like installed. I just realized that. Yeah. The splitter, that shit's like bolted on there. Damn, that quality work. What do you think? Quality? 10/10? Damn. See right there? Voltex. Authentic. Bruh. Yeah, that shit was like KVD or some bullshit.
Fugazi, yes.
You'd have to wait like a whole week for that shit to mold.
Gotta leave it on the sun and shit.
Yeah, and then if it was, what is it, Duraflex? She'll be cracked. Fucking, this side would be longer. Damn. Alright, you know what, guys? Haven't been making you guys wait for too long. I'm gonna show you guys the wheels. Yep. The Dream wheels are right here. Alright, here we go. That's the real sneak peek. If you know, you know. Alright guys, check it out. The car is still dirty as fuck, but okay, before I show you the wheels, look, check it out. Bumper's on, perfect fitment, and guess what? Best news of all, bash bar's still in there. Damn. Sorry that the lights are looking all stupid, but check it out. Yes, sir. First pair of S1s. Damn. Looking baller over here. Gonna have to get an alignment, get the fitment on there, A1. But what do you guys think? You guys digging the S1s? Man, the dream wheels, man. I'm so happy about getting these. I needed these in my life. Best part about them, spec to my liking. Yeah, can't wait to get that bumper painted, but probably won't get it painted until maybe spring. Got something else coming in, but check it out. Look at this thing. This freaking thing is thick. I showed you guys earlier. I tried to get some footage during the day, but for now, enjoy this shot right here for the Top Golf. Okay, I lied. Here's a better shot. Just the old gas station lighting. Damn. Like I said, gonna need to tweak around the alignment, but man, this Voltex bumper is everything. This car, oh my god, man, the upgrade. This whole time, man, all the time wasted waiting for all this shit. Well worth it. But before I end the video, I do want to give a shout out to Mario, Car Mods, Chris at 88 Motorsports, and Bobby, Mobbin Z34. Without you guys, man, I wouldn't be able to accomplish this. Huge shout out to Carlos for powder coating the wheels, making these baby a lot shinier. And with that being said, I think that's how I'm gonna end up this video, because I want to be able to edit this and post it as fast as I can for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully you're hyped up for the new video and to see the Z looking like this. Until next time, guys, catch you guys in the next video.